In the heart of the Savannah mountains, where the sun burns gold and the earth trembles under heavy paws, two rulers met, one crowned by the wild, the other forged by strength. Leo the Lion King reigned over the plains. His roar was thunder, his mane a flame under the sun. Every beast bowed when he passed. But deep in the misty ravines, Eleph, the mountain elephant, ruled the cliffs. His power came not from fear, but respect. He was protector of the forests, the silent guardian of the green. For years the two kingdoms lived in peace until a drought-struck rivers dried. Grass turned to dust and food became scarce. The last water spring lay between their border, the spring of life. Leo claimed it as his birthright. Eleph refused to bow, and so the ground shook. Dust swirled as the two titans faced off, fur-bristling teeth gleaming, hearts roaring with primal fury. The jungle held its breath, birds fled, even the wind paused. Leo leapt first, claws flashing like blades. Eleph blocked the strike with his massive arms, countering with a thunderous punch that cracked the earth. They circled, roared, clashed, against strength, against rage, wisdom against pride. Each blow echoed across the mountains like a storm of gods. But as the battle raged, a young cub and a baby animals cried nearby, thirsty and frightened. Both kings stopped. They saw not enemies, but reflections of their own people, starving, afraid, divided. Silence fell. Eleph stepped back. Leo lowered his head. From that day, the river that flowed from the spring of life was called the River of Unity. And whenever thunder rolled over the savannah, the animals would whisper. The kings once fought not to destroy, but to understand.